Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete in Adobe Express. Whether you are looking for a way to delete elements within a design on Adobe Express or you are trying to delete an entire design, this video will guide you through an easy and a quick step. First of all, we are going to show you how to delete elements within a design. In order to do that, first of all, open up your Adobe Express application and then select one of the projects from where you want to delete your elements. Go to your stuff at the bottom of the screen and then select one of the project open from the list. After you open up the project on your timeline, go ahead and click on the elements you want to delete. From your preview screen, click on the element, which can be an image or text. And once you make a selection, simply go to the bottom menu and tap on delete. Soon after you tap on delete, you will be able to delete an element. If you are looking for a way to delete a layer, go ahead and select the layer you want to delete and go to the bottom menu again and click on delete in order to delete a selected layer. So that was how you will be able to delete elements within a design on Adobe Express. Now I'm going to show you how to delete an entire design. Go back to your Stuff tab and navigate to the Project section or your File section. Once you get to this page, go ahead and click on the three dots right above your project. This will bring up other menu on the screen where you'll need to simply tap on Delete. Remember that deleted files can be restored for up to 30 days. After 30 days, the files will be permanently deleted from all apps that uses Adobe Cloud Storage. To confirm the deletion, click on Delete again, and that way you will be able to delete a design or a project on Adobe Express. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.